everyone, I'm Avanu Sinha. Today I'll tell you about the flow of carbon dioxide. You can say that the cycle of CO2. To understand this topic, we need to clear the basics of ecosystem. Ecosystem is made up of two components. First is abiotic, second is biotic. In abiotic, it has three subcomponents. First is inorganic matter, second is organic matter, and third is climatic component. In biotic, there is there are three components also in this section. First is producer, second is consumer, and third one is decomposer. We need to focus in inorganic matter. Phosphorus, sulfur, oxygen, hydrogen, these are the examples of inorganic matter. So they rotates in our environment, and this rotation or cycle is called cycle of inorganic matter. Here's the comes the topic of our CO2 cycle. We can say that this is the part of or process of cycle of inorganic matter. As we know, there is percentage carbon percentage is 0.0391 in the form of CO2, and it comes from industrialization, excess of vehicle, volcanic eruptions, population growth, etc. There are many factors. So I'll tell you two examples or process that you can understand in better way. First one is when a rain falls in the form of droplets, that is H2 basically, and CO2 is also present in atmosphere. It mix together and creates weak H2CO3, that is carbonic acid. It comes on the ground in the soil, and there is a salt present in soil, and it creates carbonate with it, and these carbonates flows with water into the river or sea. During the time of period, it is formed in the carbonate rock, and during disintegration or decomposition of rock, CO2 comes back in atmosphere, and this cycle continues after and after regularly. So this was the first one, and the second one is plant and tree. This is the most important. We know the process photosynthesis, which plant make their food in this process in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and intake carbon dioxide and release oxygen. After the completion of photosynthesis, every creatures want to develop or grow their body through the carbohydrates, fats, protein, etc., and they store some energy to perform other activities. And to control the quantity of gaseous components, photosynthesis is a most important thing. Or to complete the cycle of carbon dioxide, plants and trees are most important. So we have to save and planting the trees and plant. So thank you, this is it.